How to play Xbox Game Pass on PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn why it's not possible to play Xbox Game Pass directly on PlayStation 5 and how you can still stream Game Pass games with a little trick. Let's get started. Section 1. Why Game Pass doesn't work on PS5? First of all, no, you cannot install or run Xbox Game Pass games natively on a PS5. That's because Xbox Game Pass is a Microsoft service designed for Xbox consoles, Windows PCs, and cloud-compatible devices. Sony and Microsoft are direct competitors, and the PS5 doesn't support Xbox apps or game installations. Section 2. The only way, cloud streaming via browser. The only way to access Game Pass on a PS5 is through Xbox Cloud Gaming using the hidden web browser. You will need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, a strong internet connection, and a PS5 controller. Then you can stream games via the Xbox website, just like you would on a phone or smart TV. Section 3. Limitations of this method. Keep in mind, you're only streaming. You cannot download the games and not every title supports cloud play. Also, performance will depend heavily on your connection. 5 GHz Wi-Fi is highly recommended. And that's it. Why you can truly play Xbox Game Pass on a PS5? Cloud streaming gives you a small workaround. If this cleared things up for you, give a like in the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.